Today we are going to see block 6 fractions. This is the name of the block fractions. In this block there are 4 lessons are there. Now we will see what are the lessons. First we will learn in this topic. First lesson, fractions of a collection of objects can be represented. Lesson number 2, mixed fractions can be converted to improper fractions and vice versa. Lesson number 3, equivalent fractions for a fractions can be found. Then the last lesson is two unlike fractions can be compared. Compared in the sense we are going to compare these two fractions. Okay. So first we will see lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is representing the fractions. Now we will see what is the fraction. Okay. So fractions are equal parts of a whole. Yes. So fractions are nothing but a small part of a whole. Whole in the sense it is full. We will use to say the word like I need the whole packet of biscuits. I need the whole packet of flowers. So whole in the sense it is full. Okay. So in that a small part will be the part of fractions. Now a cake is divided into 12 equal slices. Yes, we are going to divide the cake into 12 equal parts. Okay, so now in that Kavya ate 3 slices of the cake. Okay, so now we are going to find the fractional format, how much she had eaten. The fraction of the cake eaten by her is 3 by 12. After that we are going to find how much part of the cake left over. So the fraction of the cake left is 9 by 12. How it came? You have to subtract from the whole part. What is the whole part fraction? Fraction in the sense 12 we are going to divide into equal. Okay, so we are going to divide, this is the cake, you just assume that we are going to divide into 12 equal pieces like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, in that how much part of cake Kavya ate? 3 slices. So 1 2 3. So this much part of cake Kavya ate. So balance remaining, how much part of cake left over? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 by 12. The 12 in the sense total number of pieces. Okay, so this is the fraction for Kavya eaten part. This is the fraction which is the leftover, cake leftover. Okay, so finally you have to take and write like cake eaten by her equal to 3 by 12. My dear children, this is very important. 4th standard itself you people read out. Even though now I will say to you 3 is nothing but numerator, 12 is nothing but denominator. Okay, so this is the total number of part. In that 3 pieces Kavya eaten. Next here also this is 12 in the sense it is total number of pieces. 9 is leftover part. So cake left equal to 9 by 12. Again I am telling to you, what is the name of the first one? First number is nothing but numerator. Second number in the down part which is nothing but denominator. Now we will see picture based question. Can you guess what part of this figure is shaded? Shaded in the sense colored. Now we will take this diagram which is divided into 6 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6. In that only one part alone has colored. So 1/6 of the figure is shaded. So how will you write the fraction? 1 by 6. 6 in the sense total number of parts. 1 in the sense only one part alone colored. Okay, so next, fractions can also show part of a collections. So collections are nothing but things together. Next, to find the fraction of a collection. Now we will take this example. 2 by 3 of 15 bees. Bees in the sense honey bee. Okay, so 2 by 3 of 15s. First you have to take 15 honey bees. In that you have to divide into 3 equal parts. 1 2 3. Yes, I have divided into 3 equal parts. So in each group how many honey bees will be there? 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, together totally 5 honey bees will be there in each group. In that only you have to take two groups. So this group and that group. So totally how many honeybees will be available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So 2 by 3 of 15 honeybees are nothing but 10 bees. So make 3 equal groups of bees. Next, count the bees in 2 groups. The way we did, right? So second thing is 2 by 3 of 15 bees will give you 10 bees. Okay. So the next one more example will give you 2 by 5 of 25 flowers. Yes, you have to take 25 flowers. In that flowers you have to divide into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So in each group how many flowers will be available? 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, the way you have to take 2 groups. One group, second group. So in 2 groups how many flowers we can take? 10 flowers, isn't it? So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same way make 5 equal groups of flowers. Yes, we did. Next, count the flowers in 2 groups. Yes, we counted. So 2 by 5 of 25 flowers are nothing but 10 flowers. Okay. Next, lesson 2. It's very important. Converting mixed fractions, that is mixed numbers. Numbers is nothing but fraction. Okay. So converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. Before going to this topic, we will see some definition of the terms. First one, proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Yes, see the example, we know very well 2 is a numerator, 5 is a denominator. Now check out the two numbers. 2 is smaller than the denominator. So these kind of fractions are nothing but proper fraction. The same way, one more example, 4 by 9. Next, second term is improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Yes, see the example, 8 by 5. We know very well 8 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. Compare the two numbers, 8 is more than the denominator, isn't it? So 8 is more than 5. So 8 by 5, 10 by 9. These are the example for improper fraction. Okay, so the third term is mixed fraction. So a mixed fraction shows a whole number and a fractional part. Yes, see the example, 5 2 by 3. How will you pronounce the number? 5 2 by 3, 1 4 by 7. 5 is a whole number, 2 by 3 is a fractional part. So 5 2 by 3 and 1 4 by 7. These are the example of mixed fraction. So next, it's very important, children. Let us convert improper fractions to mixed fraction as well as mixed fractions to improper fraction. So now we will see how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, that is known as type 1. So in that, the first question is convert 33 by 5 to a mixed fraction. So what is the question? 33 by 5. So normally you have to do the division. 33 which is divided by 5. How many times 33 in fifth table? 6 times. 6 5s are 30. So the remaining will be 3. So you have to given the format of mixed fraction, isn't it? So for that you have to use this formula Q R by D. Q is quotient, R is remainder, D is divisor. So what is the value of Q here? 6. So 6 you have to give. What is the remainder value? 3. 3 you have to give here. Then divided by, what is the divisor value? 5. Okay. So 6 3 by 5 is the mixed format of 33 by 5. Okay. Second, that is type 2, which is the mixed fraction, how to convert improper fraction. Okay, that is known as type 2. So for that we are going to take the problem 3 1 by 4. Convert 3 1 by 4 to an improper fraction. Yes, so 3 1 by 4 you have to write answer. Next, for that you have to apply the formula divisor into quotient plus remainder, the whole divided by divisor. Okay, so this is known as divisor, isn't it? This is known as quotient, this is known as remainder. Yes, apply this value into this formula. What is the value of divisor? 4 into, what is the value of quotient? 3 plus, what is the value of remainder? 1. the whole divided by, what is the value of divisor? 4. Now tell me, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 divided by 4 equal to 12 plus 1 will give you 13. 13 divided by 4. So this is how we have to change this 3 by 1 by 3 1 by 4 into its form of improper fraction like 13 by 4. Why you are telling this is improper fraction? Because 13 is more than 4, isn't it? So I hope you all understood this lesson, children. Thank you.